Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project.
This DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and driver kit provides reliable performance with a high-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings for precise control. The drill is lightweight, reducing user fatigue, and includes a 1.3 ampere-hours battery for extended runtime. It's ideal for various drilling and fastening applications, offering durability and power. DeWalt's 20-volt max combo kit includes a drill, impact driver, and work light, perfect for various tasks. It features an ergonomic design, efficient brushless motors, and long-lasting battery life, making it a great choice for DIY projects. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR hammer drill combines power and precision for demanding tasks. Its brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime and offers 3-speed settings for adaptability. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort during extended use, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The DeWalt 5-inch orbital sander combines power and precision for smooth finishes. With variable speed control, it adapts to different materials. Its dust-sealed switch and comfortable grip enhance durability and comfort for hours of sanding. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Tire Inflator delivers rapid inflation for tires, sports equipment, and more. Featuring a high-efficiency motor, it can inflate a standard car tire quickly. The integrated LED lights in low-light situations, while the auto shut-off function ensures precise pressure control. Compact and portable, it's essential for emergencies. The DeWalt 20-volt vacuum combines robust performance with versatility, designed for both wet and dry applications. Its cordless operation enhances mobility, making it ideal for job sites or home projects. The efficient filtration system traps dust and debris effectively, while multiple attachments cater to various cleaning needs. A reliable tool for cleanup tasks. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR cordless router delivers precision and power with a strong motor and adjustable speed control. It's simple to handling with the depth adjustment system, providing accuracy for various tasks. Ideal for edge shaping and decorative work, it offers cordless convenience and reliable performance. The DeWalt Angle Grinder is a powerful tool designed for grinding, cutting, and finishing tasks. It features a 7.5 ampere motor for high performance and a 4.5-inch wheel for versatility. The tool includes a dust ejection system, ergonomic handle, and adjustable guard, enhancing safety and ease of use during tough jobs. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Jig saw offers precise cutting with a high-performance brushless motor. It features a 4-position orbital action for various cuts, an adjustable shoe for stability, and a tool-free blade change system for convenience. Its LED light improves visibility and control during intricate cuts too. The DeWalt 20-volt Max reciprocating saw combines power and convenience with its brushless motor and variable speed trigger. It features a keyless blade clamp for quick changes and a pivoting shoe for improved stability. This saw is designed for tough cutting tasks, offering durability and ease of use in a cordless format. Level Out the professional way. Featuring a 10-hour runtime, the 20-volt or 12-volt Max Laser Level Kit also has an integrated magnetic pivoting base, plus a fine adjusting knob for precision. Oh, it also has a nice sail attached. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Multi-Tool Kit is a versatile and powerful solution for various cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and durability, with a quick change accessory system for convenience and speed. The DeWalt 10-inch table saw offers precision and power for serious woodworking. Featuring a robust 15 ampere motor and a 32.5-inch rip capacity, it handles large cuts with ease. The high-quality fence system ensures accuracy, while its compact design enhances portability as you move from job to job. The DeWalt Thickness Planer is a woodworking essential that delivers precise cuts and smooth finishes. Its powerful motor effortlessly handles hardwoods, offering adjustable depth settings for customized cuts, making it ideal for carpentry and woodworking projects. The DeWalt 20-volt Max hand vacuum offers powerful suction in a compact design, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Its lightweight construction ensures easy portability, while the washable filter enhances convenience. The vacuum features a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas, ensuring every corner is spotless. Ideal for both job sites and home use. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR leaf blower offers powerful performance in a compact, cordless design. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 400 CFM of air volume and 125 miles per hour of airspeed. Ideal for quick yard cleanups, it provides extended run time and durability for professional use. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Belt Sander is designed for heavy-duty sanding tasks with cordless convenience. Featuring a powerful motor and variable speed control, it provides smooth, consistent performance on wood, metal, and other surfaces. The ergonomic design and dust collection bag ensure comfort and cleanliness during prolonged use. The DeWalt 40-piece screwdriver bit set offers versatility and durability. It includes a range of commonly used bits, each meticulously crafted from high-quality materials. The tough case provides secure storage and organization, ensuring easy access on the job site or at home. The DeWalt Impact Socket Set SAE half-inch 10-piece is engineered for strength and reliability. These impact-grade sockets are made from high-quality steel, providing long-lasting durability for high-torque applications. Designed to fit impact wrenches and ratchets, this set delivers excellent performance and versatility in automotive, construction, and maintenance tasks. The DeWalt 12V or 20V Max cordless hood light illuminates work areas with its bright LED technology. It's versatile, with a telescoping design to fit different spaces, and is durable enough for tough work environments. It's an essential tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews. Like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.